these scraps left over from the pages of this book that I made another collage with, and I thought I would use these. This is a great book, by the way. Somebody suggested I could use this as a cover to a journal, and I think that would be a great idea, actually. It's so beautiful. But anyway, I'm going to use some of these pretty little pieces to make a collage on the tag. And then I have another tag that I'm going to use to make a vintage vibes. And then I think I'll put maybe some vintage vibes throughout the whole journal. So I'm going to use, whoops, this glue. I found that the Aleene's glue stick from Dollar Tree does not work as good as I had hoped it would, unfortunately. Although I don't think it's any cheaper than buying this good expensive stuff, actually, if you're buying as many. But so we're just going to do this. This is a little bit too short to fit there, so I can cut it another one. Let's see here. This is the one I want. Yeah, I'm going to cut off a little bit. I want mostly these flowers in it, so I need to do that. Kind of do want it to be the same height of this one too, so let's do that. Okay, so this is going to go here. That's looking pretty good. I think it's a little bit higher, so I'm going to maybe have to cut some off the bottom. I'm working on this on a Sunday morning, and I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe, and doing something you enjoy doing. Okay, this one's kind of nice too. I don't want too many giant pieces because I want different pieces, you know what I mean? I want a bunch of different pieces. I don't want them all to be the same size. Here, maybe this one. Put this one on this side. Oh, that's pretty too. We'll get one of those. Okay. Actually, maybe I should put this one on the... Oh, I put it on the wrong... There we go. That one's going there. What was the other side? It's this color that was going to go on there. Let's see. This. What about this? What if I put that like that? It kind of looks like nice like that, though, so I think I'll put it... I don't know. Let's save that one. What am I going to do with these? We got this one. We've got a purple. I guess we're going to have some doubles. I don't love this one. This one's not too bad. I could put that cut there, but then we have this little piece. Oh, maybe I can cut this a little wider. Okay, there we go. Oh, there was two pieces there. Is that going to work? Yes, I'm going to cut the bottom off, though, because I want it to be the same as that one. Okay. I don't mind having two of the purples. This one's not straight, though. Oh, it's not straight. Oh, shoot. I'm going to have to try again. Darn it. Let's put this one here. That seems to be good. Okay, that's going to go there. Perfect fit. Okay. All right, what next? I kind of feel like I need to cut this one straight so I can put it somewhere. Does that work? Oh, that would be perfect right there, actually. So let's do that. Oops. Okay. Oops, move down a little. Gotta move it down. Okay, there we go. And I think more purple over here would be nice, so I'm going to do that, but I think we'll do this. And then, what about this, though? What if I put... No. I like the purple there better. Let's do that. Oh. I guess I'm gluing off camera. Put this one here. There we go. And now I just need something to go across here, which could be this. Except it's a little bit too short, unfortunately. All right. I'm going to get my little roller thing. Where is it? I lost my roller thing. Oh well. Push it down. Figure out the last piece. Maybe another one of these. Still not quite the right length. Oh, how about this? This might work. I can put that like that. I don't know. I don't like it, though. I kind of like that better. This is too short. Yeah, I think I'm going to put this on here like that. don't really like this color with the others. Okay. I think we're good. Now we just have to cut off the extras. I also need to figure out something to put on the back of these tags. You know, maybe a quote or something. Okay, there we go. And now I need to punch a little hole. And I'm probably going to put an eyelet in this one, but first I need to come up with some kind of focal point. For my focal point, I figured I might as well just get a sticker from the sticker book that it goes with, the papers go with. So, oh, look at that. I love that. But it needs to be something that's going to stand out, but also go with it. Kind of like this, but I don't think that I want that much covered up. Mushroom, I don't think. Maybe a wild animal of some kind. There's all the papers. Oh, that's got to be Little Bear, don't you think? You see it? Little Bear? It's got to be. We got some owls. Not feeling the otters. That's kind of neat. Ooh, that's kind of neat too, but I think it would cover up a lot of it, but not everything. I think I'm going to go with this. And see how it... Look, because it's not covering up all of every sticker, you know what I mean? Of every square that I've put down. I do like that. I like that a lot, actually. All right, so I'm going to ink around this one in black. And put an eyelet in it with an embroidery floss, like pull topper, tag topper. All right, so there we go. Actually, I think I need to trim this a little bit more. It feels like it's sticking out. There. I think that looks really pretty. Almost like stained glass, I think. I'm going to get a purple eyelet. And actually the green, the teal would look good too, but I'm going to go with purple. We got that. Get in there. Not in there. There. That should have worked. Not quite, though. I don't know what's... Oh, this is on the wrong one, maybe? I don't know. It's not quite clamped down. That's weird. How did that get changed? Maybe this one will work. Yeah. Okay, now it's not loose. And I'm going to use just some of the purple embroidery floss to be the topper. And then we'll get to work on my vintage vibes. I don't know, though. The whole book is vintage vibes, you know? I think. Oh, boy. Okay. It's so hard to get this open. Okay, tie a knot and stick it in. Okay. When I am done making the other tag, I think I will actually say finishing touches and a flip through for one more video. So this is not going to be the last video. We've got a tag there. Trying to find another spot where there's a place to put a tag, which would be right here. Make sure it's going to still close up. Yep. All right. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. And oops, I'm having a hard time closing it up properly. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.